Come test drive the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.